In 2008, Softouch Property Development Corporation was born with a vision to create quality living spaces that do not hurt the pockets of an average Filipino family. Anami Homes, which means a beautiful place where lovely homes are built, was developed to answer the need of quality and affordable homes in strategic locations in Cebu, such as Minglanilla, Mactan, and Consolacion. The first Anami Homes, located in Minglanilla, is a small community offering 51 two-story townhouses and 30 lots. With its quick success, Softouch was able to expand to a 1.3-hectare property in Suntungan, Basak, Anami Homes Mactan, and a 3.2-hectare property in Hugan Consolacion, the Anami Homes North. These properties offer houses with more living spaces such as single attached, single detached, duplex, and the shop houses to serve the changing and growing needs of the Filipino family. To date, Softouch has 6 housing projects in different locations and has happily provided 350 homeowners their well-deserved homes.
Well, for me, I choose Anami Homes because first and foremost, I like the place. It's very serene and peaceful. I love the design and it's worth the value of money. Plus, they are not so strict when it comes to interior renovation. That's why I was able to design my kitchen according to what I like.
Let us help you turn your dream house into an address.